I'm not gonna tell you what's in it because it's a secret. Hey, what's up everybody? DeAndre Jordan here and welcome to the Beyond Meat channel. Today, I'm sharing my go-to meals before game time. People pay good money for this kind of knowledge, so listen up. These are the meals that fuel me up before every game. When I first came into the league, I was 19 years old, and at that point in time, you're just kind of like a garbage disposal. You eat everything. It doesn't matter what it is. You know, I'm gonna go get a burger, a hot dog, nachos with everything on it. I have a lot of veteran guys who would tell me like, you know, you can't put that stuff in your body, especially on a game day. I have friends who were plant-based, friends who were more environmentally conscious about everything, and I talked to those people, watched a couple of documentaries, read some things. You know, if you can make one little change and it affect the world drastically or your body drastically, then you wanna do it. I mean, look at my skin. Model. They didn't even have to put makeup on me today. So on a game day, I'll probably wake up around 7. I'll have a green juice in the morning, and then I'll have a little shot of water with baking soda. You guys are looking at me crazy, I know, but it's good for me. Look it up. Then I'll have some water with like these hydration tablets in it. Beyond Meat scramble with some rice, vegetables, ton of spinach, avocado with either a side of toast, strawberry jelly, or vegan waffle, peanut butter on top, syrup. With the breakfast I have in the morning, I'm trying to get some protein and some carbs in to where I can burn that stuff and shoot around and throughout my day, knowing that I'm gonna have an intense game that evening. I'll drink 2 liters of water, then I'll head to practice. After practice, I have a smoothie. I love to put a ton of greens, some kale, spinach in there, a banana, and maybe some peanut butter to give it that sweet flavor. Then on my way home from practice, I'll have another green juice, and then I'll get home, I'll take a nap. Wake up, then I'll have lunch. And I'll have a vegetable style bolognese with Beyond Meat. And I'll have another liter of water. Then I'll head to the arena. Then I'll go through my pregame routine, which is also very strange. But I always put my left sock in first, then my right sock on. Same with the shoes. I'll go shoot, and after I'm done, I'll dunk, and then I have to do a reverse layup, and then I'll sprint off the court. I'll go and I'll meditate for probably about 10-15 minutes or so. Straight from then, I'll go change into my uniform and listen to music. At this point, I have headphones on, and I'll sit in the corner and face the wall, which is also very weird. And I'll have a peanut butter and jelly, strawberry jelly, with the crust cut off because I am a child, with orange slices. And I'll have a plant-based, vegan, kind of like energy drink that is homemade. I'm not gonna tell you what's in it because it's a secret. It's legal, don't worry. After I have that, then I'll like jump up and down a certain number of times, and then there's the game. DeAndre Jordan. Oh, and then I'll have oranges at halftime. After the game, I'll have a big salad with a ton of vegetables in it, and then I'll try to get some carbs in, so I'll do a big Beyond Meat bolognese pasta with a ton of veggies in it, some spinach, and a ton of water. What I have for the game day is pretty much what I have for every game day. I try to keep the same routine. I think it's just like a superstitious kind of thing. Like, I can't not do what I've been doing. Thanks for tuning in to the Beyond Meat channel. Be sure to come back here for more amazing content. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, everything down here.